One of the videos that really gets a lot of views is, or was, my last micro needling. And so I've done it again. It's been over a year, and this has been kind of crazy because with COVID, I actually had this done at home. I didn't go to a spa or any of those things. We just did it safely here. And I will tell you, I had it done last night. She did the, I guess it's the number 2 setting, which is very deep. One, because I really do try to do as much as I can for my skin on a regular basis, microdermabrasions, facials, you name it. And so my skin is in good health. So today you can see, wow. Last night it was burning, and I actually had to put a fan on my face. The other thing that she did on my face is she did, I think it was the berry peel. And so sometimes you can have a peel at the same time, and she did 2 layers of that. So I got a great reaction. And my girl that does it, she said that if you're gonna do it, you know, you want to get the most results you can, and she's a professional. Please, whatever you do, go to a professional. Do not, I don't do my own microneedling. I don't do any of those things for me because that is not something that I know that is in my wheelhouse. So I go to a professional so that I don't worry. I know that this is basically day 1 after having the procedure done. And I am not hurting today. My face is stiff, if that, I can't really smile or use my facial expressions, but I feel good and I am not in any pain. Okay, so this is day 2 after my microneedling, and I wanted to show you. So all I did this morning was I washed my face, and I'm not gonna wear makeup. If you can go longer without makeup, it's even better. And then I have been using this Tatcha. It is the Dew Skin Cream, and it said that it is replenishing Japanese purple rice for dry skin. Yeah. And it really does work. And it's very light on your face. It feels really good. So this is 2 days later, obviously no makeup, and I highly recommend it. My skin's dry, but I have no pain and I feel really good.